Marks 2 years since the start of a devastating and deadly storm that Western New Yorkers will never forget. The blizzard of 2022. 47 people lost their lives over that holiday weekend. Many were trapped in their cars, some stuck outside, while others were inside their homes with no power. First responders were unable to reach lots of people because of just how strong the storm was. It was also a time when Western New Yorkers stepped up to help those around them, whether they were neighbors or strangers. And right now, there is a study underway to see just how big of an impact 2 Facebook groups had on connecting people during that blizzard. Most Buffalo's Kelly Dudzik joins us live now from downtown Buffalo with more about what researchers are looking into. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Courtney. This is a 3-year study being done by UB. It's funded by the National Science Foundation, and it just started this past September. It has 3 main goals. The first is to look into the role 2 Facebook groups had in connecting communities during the 2022 blizzard. Researchers are specifically looking at the Buffalo Storm and Buffalo Blizzard Response Facebook groups. The second aspect is looking at human mobility changes during the storm. And the third is to research 311 calls made to get help during the blizzard for everything from snow plowing to removing trees. Since they just started, they're in the middle of doing an online survey of people who used those Facebook groups as a resource during the storm. UB researchers are partnering with that Buffalo Storm Facebook group. They're working with them and they're partnering with the city of Buffalo and will share the results with city leaders.
One potential situation we hope is that this project can help us identify those communities that seem to be less connected so far. And maybe our emergency services and also our fire department could further reach out to those communities in the future and help them better cope with disasters.
Now, so far, researchers have connected with the Buffalo Storm group, and if you're in that group, you should see a link to the survey. They are still trying to connect with administrators for the Buffalo Blizzard Response Group. They need 500 responses. They have about 120 right now. They said the survey will take you about 10 to 15 minutes to do, and once you complete it, you'll get a $20 online gift card. They do hope to present their research by the end of next year. Live and on your side in downtown Buffalo, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.
All right, Kelly, thank you.